Hello everyone, I'm Jessica Banka and today I'm going to tell you about an amazing scholarship known as Women Techmaker Scholarship. As I'm very sure that you don't want to miss this great opportunity, so do watch the video till the end so that you can clear all your doubts regarding it. So let's get started. First of all, let's see what is Women Techmakers all about. Women Techmakers is a program organized by Google with an aim to uplift and encourage women in tech. Their vision is to create gender equality in the field of computer science by encouraging women to excel in computing and technology and become an active leader and role model in the same. Now, you must be wondering if I'm eligible for this program or not. So, let's check out the eligibility criteria for this program. First, it is only applicable for female students. Then, she should be studying computer science, computer engineering, or any other technical course. Then, the candidates should be having excellent academic background and technical skills. Then, all the students who are graduating in 2021 or beyond are eligible for this program. Then, you should be currently enrolled as full-time student at an accredited university. Now, after checking all the boxes of the eligibility criteria, let's see how are we going to apply for this program. So first of all, you have to fill the application form which is going to be provided by them on their official website. Then you have to submit the official transcript. Then you will be required to give 2 recommendation letters which can be either from supervisor, professor, instructor or advisor. Then you have to give response to 3 short questions in the form of essays. It is one of the major things that makes your application stand out. The answers serve as a crucial factor in deciding whether you are worthy of the scholarship. Then you have to submit your current resume. Make sure it is up to date as possible. After doing all the above steps, all the shortlisted candidates will have to go through an interview. After you successfully submit the application, next comes the selection process. The selection process for this program will be done by selection panel at Google itself. The selection for the scholarship will be based on strong academic documents, leadership quality, passion for involvement in technology, and essay questions. Recipients of the scholarship will be notified by the selection panel at Google. So now we are at the interesting part of the program, which includes what are the perks of this program. So first is the scholarship. The winners of the Women Techmakers will receive a cash prize. This grant is provided on an annual basis for the duration of their study. Another perk is that a 3-day all expenses paid trip to one of the Google offices is provided to all the scholars as an opportunity to connect with fellow scholars and mentors at Google. Seminars and workshops are connected for the scholars to give them insights into how the daily operations are processed at Google and what are their visions. Another phenomenal thing that you get is the community. As a Women Techmaker scholar, you join a long-term community of scholars, program participants in a forum that's designed to share resources, support other women in tech, and collaborate on projects to make continued impact. Professional development and community outreach opportunities will continue to be offered after the retreat as well. As part of the Global Women Techmakers community, your name would be in the past Scholars Hall of Fame for the generations to come. This is going to be one of the most life-changing experiences of your life. It's going to help you grow as an individual both personally and professionally. So this was all about Women Techmaker Scholarship Program. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I hope all your doubts are cleared and you are definitely going to participate in this amazing scholarship. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you want your friends to know about this scholarship, do share with them. If you also want Codex Script to keep making these informative videos, do subscribe to the channel and comment down below on what topic should we make the next video on.